Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam content file locked error. First, restart your PC. Sometimes, background apps or stuck Steam processes keep the game files locked. A restart clears temporary issues and gives Steam a fresh start. After restarting, open Steam and try the update again. If the error still appears, run Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely, then right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam permission to change and write files on your drive. Next, verify the game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game with the issue and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the files and replace anything missing or damaged. Another useful fix is clearing the Steam download cache. Open Steam Settings, go to the Download section, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward. This removes corrupted temporary download data that can cause update problems. You should also check your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs block Steam from editing game files. Temporarily disable your antivirus and test the update again. You can also add your Steam folder or Steam library folder as an exception so the antivirus does not interfere with downloads or updates. Thanks for watching.